Implementing a business continuity management system based on ISO 22301:2019 is a game changer for any organization. Imagine having a robust framework that not only prepares you for disruptions but also enhances your resilience. This standard helps identify potential risks, ensuring you can respond swiftly and effectively when challenges arise. This is a framework for ensuring that a business can continue operating during and after a disruption, such as a natural disaster or cyberattack. The BCMS helps in planning, implementing, and managing business continuity and disaster recovery plans. Reduced risk of disruption. By having a proactive BCM system in place, organizations can reduce the risk of disruption to their normal business operations, resulting in reduced downtime and increased productivity. Improve resilience. The BCM system helps organizations to anticipate, prevent, or mitigate disruptions, thereby improving their overall resilience and ability to withstand crises. Enhanced reputation. Organizations with a well-implemented BCM system can demonstrate their commitment to ensuring the continuity of their business operations to stakeholders, enhancing their reputation and trustworthiness. Cost savings. By identifying potential risks and taking proactive measures to mitigate them, organizations can avoid costly disruptions and minimize losses. Improve communication. The BCM system facilitates effective communication within the organization, as well as with external stakeholders, such as customers, suppliers, and partners. Increase confidence. Implementing a BCM system can increase employee confidence, knowing that the organization has a plan in place to minimize the impact of disruptions and ensure business continuity. Better risk management. The BCM system provides a structured approach to risk management, enabling organizations to identify, assess, and mitigate risks more effectively. Improved incident response. The BCM system provides a coordinated approach to incident response, enabling organizations to respond quickly and effectively to disruptions. Enhanced compliance. By implementing a BCM system based on ISO 22301:2019, organizations can demonstrate compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards related to BCM. Competitive advantage. Organizations with a well-implemented BCM system can gain a competitive advantage, as they are better equipped to manage disruptions and minimize the impact on their customers and business operations. Improved supply chain management. The BCM system can help organizations to anticipate and mitigate potential disruptions to their supply chain, improving their ability to maintain business continuity. Enhanced knowledge management. The BCM system facilitates the capture and sharing of knowledge and best practices within the organization, enabling continuous improvement and learning from disruptions. Improve business continuity planning. The BCM system provides a structured approach to business continuity planning, enabling organizations to develop effective plans and procedures to ensure business continuity. Enhanced stakeholder engagement. The BCM system facilitates effective engagement with external stakeholders, such as customers, suppliers, and partners, and improves communication with them during disruptions. Improve performance metrics. The BCM system provides a framework for measuring and evaluating business continuity performance, enabling organizations to identify areas for improvement and track progress over time. With a solid BCM system, you can minimize downtime, protect your reputation, and maintain customer trust, even in the face of adversity. Plus, it fosters a culture of proactive risk management, empowering employees to contribute to continuity efforts. Ultimately, it's about safeguarding your business's future, ensuring you not only survive but thrive, no matter what comes your way.